A 10-member delegation of United Naga Council (UNC), including its president, has called on Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Vala and discussed a matter related to free movement regime (FMR) and border fencing works along the Indo-Myanmar border today. Speaking to reporters after meeting the governor at Raj Bhavan, UNC President N.G. Lorho recalled that the 20-day ultimatum served to both the state and central government to withdraw the scrapping of FMR and hold border fencing along the Indo-Myanmar border has ended on August 9. He asserted that the governor has assured the UNC delegation to felicitate for holding talks with the government. Meanwhile, a statement issued by the governor's secretariat confirmed that the UNC delegation has raised its concern regarding the abrogation of FMR and border fencing to the governor. Stating that the UNC delegation urged him to take up the matter with the government of India, it added that the issue had already been raised with the Ministry of Home Affairs by the governor. He also appealed to the council to maintain peace and exercise restraint while constructive dialogue moves forward.
Nasigi, 20 days ultimatum se agoi UNC na government of India girame to scrapping of FMR se install to view and then housing border fencing shari ba makai se stop to view na agoi ultimatum thari bani madu gi ultimatum matam do deadline do expect to krebni adu na hojikti agoi tribe ho makai na presidential council da tanaraga agoi hojikti agitation wena chansing krege hana agoi decision ta within 10 to 15 days da agoi mob of agitation do agoi declare to ni adu na live gi maram wena governor na ngasi agoi bo meeting pham gena korakni